Sugu. So today we're making another pizza video, but this is not just any old regular pizza video, it's the secret pizza. So if you want to find out what this secret ingredient is, you might as well watch till the end. For the secret pizza dough, you will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar to activate the yeast, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And in here I have room temperature to hot water of yeast to activate the yeast. And the special ingredient is spinach. We'll be making spinach pizza today. So you'll need 1/2 cup of fresh. What I did to make the spinach for the pizza was first I took a bit, and then I washed it nicely, and then I chopped it up in little pieces, and I put it in hot boiling water with only a little bit of salt. You should only put it in there for a bit and take it out right away, or all the nutrients of the spinach would go away, and then there'll be no point of using the spinach. After doing that, you can blend it in your little blender, and it's ready to use for the pizza. To activate the yeast, you need hot water. So first we're going to add in our yeast. And along with the yeast, we're going to mix it first. And add in your sugar. Mix it well. Now you have to wait till the yeast activates. As you guys can see, it only took about 1 to 2 minutes for the yeast to activate, and now it's activated. So in a big bowl, I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour. Now we're going to pour in our yeast. And now we're going to mix well. Now add in your spinach. Mix in the spinach with the dough. Make sure to knead the dough very well, so the dough would be very super natural and the color looks amazing. Sticky, but don't worry, after you knead it for a while, it will get better. Transfer to a clean workspace and add your flour to knead the dough. So now we're going to knead our dough. Put the flour on top of the dough, just so it's not too sticky. Now nicely knead the dough. Knead it so it doesn't stick to your hands. That's what we have so far, but we're still going to knead it. The dough is ready. As you guys can tell, it's not sticking anymore. So now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil I'm using today. I got this from Costco. So now what you want to do is add a little bit of olive oil to your bowl and to your dough. After putting the olive oil, make sure to put a towel over it so it can rise up. So because it's cold here, it'll take about 3 to even maybe 4 hours. But if you live in a hot country and it's summer, it might take just about 1 to 2 hours. So as you guys can see, the dough has rised a lot. It's been 3.5 hours and the dough has rised. So now let's start making our pizza. So the dough is ready, so now we're going to make it into pizza. So for our spinach pizza, I have ingredients here today. So I have marble cheese, I have Primo canned tomato sauce. I bought this at a local grocery store. And I have my little ingredients I have today. So I have cheese, red peppers, mushrooms, and onions, red onions. And here I have my pizza tray and a rolling pin. So let's get started. So first I'm going to put the dough on the pizza pan. And now I'm going to nicely knead it. So after kneading it for a while, we're going to make it into pizza. Look how nice this looks. This pizza is super healthy. So I have kneaded the dough so it's nice and good again. So now I have a little cup or a little bowl of flour, all-purpose flour. So I'm going to take this all-purpose flour and I'm going to put it on my rolling pin so it doesn't stick to the dough. And also, while you're doing that, make sure to put it on your pan. So now I'm going to put it on my pan, and we're nicely going to roll it out. So the more flour you add, the more easier it will be to roll it out. So while we're getting the pizza ready, we have to set our oven. So we're gonna bake it for 450 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna start it. Okay guys, so I just kneaded out the dough onto my pizza pan. So now, to prevent air bubbles, we're gonna use a fork and we're gonna poke holes so it will not have air bubbles. Okay guys, as you guys can see, the color is very nice, so I'm gonna use a fork and just nicely poke holes. Not too deep, and just go all around the pizza to not have air bubbles. So just like that. So this is a very nice tip. You won't have any air bubbles. It's time to put on the tomato sauce. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. And using a spoon, I'm just gonna spread it all over the pizza. If you like more sauce, you can add more sauce. If you don't like that much sauce, you can add as much as you want. The sauce smells so good. And I'm just gonna apply it all over the dough. So next time I make fresh pizza sauce, I will make sure to put on a video. But this is not a sauce I made, this is one I bought from the store. So today I'm done putting on the sauce. So today I'm gonna do half cheese and half veggie pizza. So I'm done putting on the sauce. So now I'm gonna put on some cheese. So I have marble cheese today. So I'm just gonna spray it. Sprinkle it. What type of sauce, dipping sauce, do you guys like while eating your pizza? My favorite is cheddar chipotle sauce that we get at a nearby pizza store. So I'm just gonna add cheese. So now I'm done applying the cheese. So now I'm gonna add in my vegetables. So I'm only doing half, you guys can do full. So I'm gonna do this half of the pizza. What type of vegetables or meat do you guys like on your pizza? So I'm adding in the red peppers first, and then the onions. I'm using red onions today. And our mushrooms. Okay, so now I'm done. So after adding my vegetables, to make it a little bit more cheesy, I'm going to add the rest of the cheese on top of the vegetables. So this is so we have more cheese on our pizza. So mainly sprinkle it on the side with the vegetables because that side already has cheese. This is how the pizza looks close up. This side is the vegetable side and this is the plain cheese side. So the oven just got ready, so now we're gonna put in the oven. Make sure to have parent supervision while doing this. So it'll be done in around 15 to 17 minutes. See when it's like 5 minutes in the oven. So it's already rising up, as you can tell right there, like right here. It's already rising, so that's good. 7 more minutes till it's done. Came out of the oven. As you guys can see, it's nicely done. So now we're gonna try it. Okay guys, so the pizza's done, so now I'm gonna try it. It's super good. I can't even tell the difference that there is spinach involved in this pizza, but really you don't taste it. You only get the nutrients, but you don't taste it. So the color is super nice and it's very nice. This is my secret recipe. Make sure to try it, guys. You'll really like it. If you haven't watched my other pizza video, I'll have the link in the description box below. Make sure to go watch that video as well. And thank you for everyone that liked this video, shared this video, and watched till the end. Thank you guys so much. See you guys next week.